So we're not simply adding to the knowledge base about a single person or a single community or a single place on the map. We're helping communities of learners learn how to learn. And to me, this is one of the sort of the highest ideals that archaeological investigations or that property managers might aspire to.
How can you take what you're going to walk away with today and make use of it in some valid way in your contemporary life? And so we're trying to be more and more conscious of those types of issues as we plan.
And that's been the thing that's been so exciting about this project. And John, greatly appreciate the opportunity, because we have students now who are signing up to be part of organizations that have to do with archaeology that they never would have even thought about.
You're asking for the anomalies, why aren't the negative and positive poles half and half? Does this make sense to you, Brian?
Yeah, that is a good question.
You have some very smart kids over there.
That's a great question. Okay.
At that moment, for many of the students, this project became authentic and real for them. Opportunity is going to help them to be more successful in college. It's going to help them to make those life decisions because they've gone through the problem-solving process with something that's real. And so
handle the second period class from Springwoods High School, and we're going to be introducing our thoughts on remote sensing.
Do our second round of sensing. You can see how lined up and they are in the positive and negative readings.
Eastward, and it's now known as the runaway scrape. This was a planned evacuation.
Another one will be Steven's house, which is block 14. Since he had time to escape and everything, there might be some...
It's like problem solving, that what we've learned from this project.
Because in math, they make us do things that we might not actually do. But this actually real life thing. So I think that's pretty cool. It's going to help us out to know what...
It's a good feeling to know that you like accomplished something in life. Like it's something that is actually happening, and our opinions matter. So it just gives us more of like an incentive to think about it.
We have to look at magnetometer data.
Okay, what's magnetometer data?
Magnetometer data is a machine that looks for magnetic things. That data would be helpful for an archaeologist because they can find anomalies that are magnetic.
What is an anomaly?
Anomaly is the white and black things here from the runaway scrape.
What do you think they're going to be digging for?
Artifacts.
Okay, what's an artifact?
Somebody's belongings from when they burned down because of the Texas versus Mexico. So they burned out their stuff, and the artifacts got buried in the dirt or ashes.
Okay, so what kind of artifacts do you think they'll find there?
Pottery.
Anything else?
Plates.
We are starting an archaeologist club to learn about the job and what to do if you have that job, and we want to learn about the world.